From the Encanto cookbook, now you can...
These are real soups.
What is it?
Big tomato sandwich.
It's a big tomato sandwich. Now you want to add the potatoes?
Yeah. Put them in there.
Uh-huh.
Add our tomato soup.
We're going to make chicken soup.
These are real soups. These are the little ones that go around it. The little ones. The little sandwich that goes around the little tomatoes. And these are the little sandwiches that go around to make it a big sandwich.
Perfect.
Elephants going to be elephants.
Mami, ¿me prendes la llave que voy a enjuagar ahí el pollito? Ya estoy lista. ¿Y a dónde está la coca mía? ¿Me la pones por algún lado?
Elephants go to be elephants.
What's that, Carlita?
An elephant mug.
An elephant garlic.
An elephant garlic.
We're going to use for the soup.
Muy grande.
Es muy grande.
Sí, es enorme.
I'm gonna use this to check sound and toss it in.
You can toss it in like that
Okay.
because it's going to be a soup and it's going to, uno is enough because they're very big, Carla. You're going to add the second one?
Yeah.
Okay, but we're going to leave the rest for the beef
Why?
because we're going to make another recipe. Mira, mami nos limpió el pollo.
Okay.
Mira.
Pollo crudo, Carlucci, que vamos a cocinar.
Pero mira esto. ¿Sabes qué es esto que está aquí? Se llama yuca.
And I'm putting this on my nose.
You're putting it on your nose. Does it smell good?
Yeah.
Parece que tienes una trompa de elefante.
Elephant! Hooray! When it's cooked tomorrow.
Pues de todo ese pollo, esto lo dejamos súper limpio. Quiero que sepa. Así se puede volver.
This is all the elephants. You can't touch this because it's big chunks of elephant food that may not fit on your nose.
Right.
You have tiger food. It's a little small. You have big elephant.
Fish. Winter elephant soup.